Yeah. Hi, Shreya. Pavitra, can we come on video? I have started the recording. Hello, everybody. I think you are all aware of me. Myself, Ruby Jain, and I am here as our 21 days transformative healing coach, wherein we learn so many healing techniques and we practice everyday gratitude, and we practice every day one technique that I'm going to introduce later. And we will begin with the stories, the success stories of the clients, those who have are attending me now. And before that, just a short or a brief introduction of mine, that you are aware that I am a certified healer and a counselor by Mitesh Khatri. And you are all aware, my coach Mitesh Khatri is, internationally recognized, and he's once been the number one seller of Law of Attraction book. So, and I've learned and I've done my NLP training, practitioner training from him only, and I had been practicing from then. And then I've done my chakra healing courses, and I'm learning my meditation training program also, wherein we have already started meditation every day. Surbhi is joining me, Sonika is going to join me, and she has also joined my program. Those who are there with me for 21 days program are also experiencing the enhanced or the richness of the meditation. And I know people have already started, creating magic in their lives. But in the magical meditation sessions, we are already going to achieve, much more. Medical meditation is something that is, loaded with so many techniques. And then we'll be every day practicing breathing techniques, and then the guided meditation will be there. Then we are going to enhance our memory power, focus. So I'll be asking you to bring one or the other object one or the other time. We'll be tomorrow we are going to practice our Vedic meditation, that and wherein I will explain you all where Vedic people, actually the saints of the Vedic times, they introduced meditation, okay, and how they begin meditation journey, and how we all got to introduced. Anyways, also before, much before the meditation times, also we have been practicing meditation, but yes, it was then the Vedic times that we all were introduced. Not will I'll not stretch your time and not disturb your evening, not take much of your time. Let's begin with the sharing of the day. If just raise your hand, whoever is ready to share, actually. So, who is ready to share? I mean, can I start with Shreya or Lakshmi? If you are ready, can we share? Can I listen?
Yeah, Ruby. Yeah, first thing is,
Can you just
my,
switch on your camera?
yeah, sure, sure.
I know all beautiful people here.
1 second. Yeah, let me.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
Ruby. Yeah, like totally, I feel my life has changed with these sessions. Like everything, whatever I used to think negatively, I'm turning into positive. Like especially at work, whenever there is so much work, I used to think about again some new work came. But now I'm thinking that this is new challenge. I
Wow.
got a chance to prove my talent. Like that I started thinking, even at home also, for small things I used to worry. Now I'm not at all worrying. Like it will go away. Just let me think it positive. And even handling my son also, that also changed a lot. Earlier, if he is not taking my call, I used to worry a lot.
I
But
understand.
now I'm not at all.
That's
Just I
wonderful.
keep trying to catch him, but even if I'm not able to catch, it's okay. He will be in his world, so that's okay. We need to understand that they give importance to friends than parents at this age, my
Yeah,
son's age. So many things. Totally life got changed, I can say.
yeah. Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you so
thanks a lot, Ruby, for wonderful sessions.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Lakshmi, and stay connected. I know you are still there in my sessions. I still remember that I gave her VIP healing sessions. And then when we began, I think I must say that Lakshmi gave me the opportunity to practice, actually. And while we were practicing and meditating, I used to see her, I used to notice her almost dozing throughout the meditations, because, it is a very good sign the people those who are struggling with their emotions, and when while meditation they are going into deep sleep or they doze, it's a wonderful sign. Now the neurons are at comfort stage. So I really enjoyed giving you the sessions, and the practice that I could do with you, Lakshmi, that was a wonderful time for me. And much before you, I know there were many people that I had been giving VIP healing, but yes, after 21 days plan, Lakshmi made it more successful. I literally got very confident about it. Thank you so much. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot. Thanks a lot
yeah,
for your
thank you,
support.
Ruby.
Yeah.
Good.
So yeah, next, just let me know who's ready to share the story.
Yeah. Um, so
Yeah,
for me, the biggest thing has been that there's a change in my way of thinking. So earlier, it used to be like, suppose some unexpected situation, or which, as students, we can't handle it. So now I think of it as in a positive way. So have, I'm not saying completely, but I think approximately 60% I've lost that complaining nature, and I'm grateful for what I have. And I have started to believe in energies a lot. So I don't want to give any bad energy to my career, to my college, or to my, whatever studying things. So this is one more thing. Second, yeah, as I said that I've started being more grateful for whatever I've got. Like, I'm not thinking about things I don't have. Instead, I'm thinking about things I have, because some other people might not have it.
great.
And yeah, after and all of this, my perspective, like, it has actually changed a lot. So whatever, suppose some and also manifestation, actually. So my perspective for everything, if suppose, I'm not getting something right now, I'll wait for it, I might manifest it later. So that patience also has come into me.
Yeah,
And the manifestations are working so nicely. Like, even it is like small things, like, it maybe I wanted to eat something, so I just thought about it, and next 2 3 days I might have got it. And another, the biggest thing I manifested is this medical college which I got into.
that, yes, you, and you shared with me also that every day you were writing in your affirmations that we were writing every day, right? The gratitude statements that we write every day, that is something that really changes our perspective, isn't it? And it actually, especially people those who are connected with me, and they those who have taken 90 days challenge, I am challenging you that your perspective from being negative, you will change and you will come to a perspective to form for being positive all the time, and you will start inspiring other people also. I'm challenging you. If you take up my 90 days challenge, gratitude statements, that what we are, every day we are doing here, and with the gratitude statements alone, you're going to receive so many things. Good evening, Darshana.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you so much. What else? I still remember that your recent sharing that you went to your hostel, and wherein you experienced
Yeah.
one more thing. Yeah, Shreya.
So actually, when I went and saw my hostel room, so the rooms are a bit like other rooms, compared to other rooms of the same hostel. The one we were allotted is a bit small, not small, but it's vertical. But again, instead of saying that it is very small, because if I say that, that energy remains in the hostel and I've lived there for the next 5 years. So instead, I thought that, wow, I mean, this nice cozy place. I live here for next 5 years. I'll study nicely. So I gave that positive energy, and I'm hoping that when I go back, I'm very excited. So when I go back, I can study there nicely and without any
Wonderful,
disturbances.
wonderful, amazing, Shreya. See, this is how you are creating magic in your life. I'm proud of you. Amazing.
आपने डीएमपी में भी शायद शेयर किया था ये रिजल्ट.
DMP, not DMP. Yesterday, she was there with us while we were practicing gratitude, and she shared the same story yesterday. That is why, because many people are
ओके.
here, just asked her.
ओके.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much,
थैंक यू.
Shreya, for sharing your
Thank,
results. And I hope you are inspiring people who have just got connected with us for
thank you to
another
you.
kind of
Since
October
the
month.
past 2 months, my perspective, I'm looking forward to, like, I'm if I get time any day next month, since I'll be joining the college. So whenever I find time, I'll definitely join the sessions.
And Shreya
But
will
I'll continue writing the gratitude every day.
Amazing, amazing. I really want you to stay connected. And whenever Shreya is the one that every time if there is a session starting, she will be the first one to enroll. Trust me. So, and she is a very consistent child, throughout my sessions from 2 months till today. She is there and she's attending and she's creating magic. Trust me, if you're there, I think many of us, we have seen, we are listening to stories and we are understanding this is how we are creating magic in our lives. We have now to I think we have Pavitra also. Pavitra, if you don't mind, because Pavitra is there with me for VIP healing sessions, if you don't mind sharing what results you're getting. Please unmute yourselves.
Sure, Ruby. Yeah, my main concerns were like lacking of focus. It was like you can call it as a mental diarrhea. So I was everywhere else than the present. So it was that situation for me. It's like I have to focus on something, but something else used to pop up in mind. Oh, I have to clean that. I have kids have left this. Everything was like cluttered. So that was one concern. It's like I couldn't focus on my current. I mean, me
And
when
that was happening from so how many years, Pavitra?
what
This was happening from how many years?
I can say like past COVID time.
Okay. And how are you feeling? Because I think we have got together, from almost, we have attended today we finished the seventh day of the session,
Yeah, yeah, eight.
eighth day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. And that was one concern which I'm seeing improvement. Today is eighth day, and other concern is I was procrastinating things. Like be it like I know that it's high time I have to change the job, and I have been preparing since 1 year. By profession, I'm into research and development in network security department, which is like purely technical job and which is very demanding. Even if I go for an interview, uh, it's like in 1 hour interview, design an Uber app,
Yeah.
right? That will be the questions will be thrown
Yeah.
at our. So I have been preparing for the interview and everything, but I was procrastinating to apply. So which I did yesterday. So I applied to quite some companies. Hope I'll start getting the job.
I have already got cancel. Not hope. I have already got it.
I've already got it.
Yeah. You have already cleared that interview.
That is one. And another thing is this thyroid nodule, right? If you can see here. So I knew that I had to go and get it tested and everything, but I was just procrastinating, thinking like, what would be the result of it?
Exactly. You were afraid. I still remember yesterday also, I could see that during the session.
Yeah,
And I was like, no problem. Let's finish it and then just go and get it done. Right?
yeah. And today I got the report saying, which I sent to my doctor, and he told nothing to worry, just continue with the treatment plan, right? And I could see that the medicines are working on me. It's just 1 week I started, but yeah, because my thyroid levels are normal, but just that I have this nodule.
Yeah.
uh, God knows why it came and how it came, right?
And
So,
many of us have read what Pavitra has already shared in the group, Calm group, detailed feedback of her, what results she is getting actually after the sixth day only. She has shared a very nice feedback, the detailed feedback that's hers actually, Pavitra's only. Thank you so much, Pavitra.
another thing is like the kids' exams, they just finished midterm. I was literally taking everything on me. Like, okay, if they don't do well, it's like my problem. It's like I have to blame myself. It was like that. So this time, like I left my son to prepare on his own and asked him to come back to me if he has doubt. And I was there for him, like whenever he needed. And whenever he asked me, like, okay, can you ask me this question? I would recite it. So I was there. So I'm like, now I have the feel like I'm making him independent as well as I'm supporting him. And I'm totally not too much attached with whatever that fear, right? I have detached myself with their performance result. I know that he has put effort. I know that I have supported. We both did our job. So rest, it's like we're leaving.
Don't worry, you have already started getting result, and I'm proud of you, Pavitra. And the dedication and consistency, please continue with that only. We'll stay connected until you get the best results for your, areas, other areas. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So now we have, I think, Sonika is with us, and Dashna is also there. Dashna, if you don't mind, can we just, yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। मेरे तो इतने सारे रिजल्ट है, क्या बताऊँ।
We are all
और
waiting.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू टू यूनिवर्स कि मतलब आपसे कनेक्ट किया मेरे को। एंड यस, हमारे जो मेंटोर है उनसे भी कनेक्ट किया और एकदम लाइफ में चेंज आ गया। जो नेगेटिविटी रहती थी, छोटी छोटी बातों में अपसेट होना, वो अब पूरा ही पॉजिटिव हो गया। इनफैक्ट कोई मेरे आसपास के लोग अगर जब कोई किसी चीज में वो लोग भी नेगेटिव होते हैं या कुछ वैसा सोचते हैं, तो मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि नहीं, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी, बी पॉजिटिव।
Wow.
मैं अब मेरे आसपास के लोगों को मैं ये बोलने लगती हूँ। मेरी 2 डॉटर्स है, अभी दोनों ही अलग अलग लेवल पे जॉब के लिए दे बोथ आर ट्राइंग एंड एवरीथिंग। तो उनका भी जॉब इंटरव्यू है, कभी रिजेक्शन भी होता है और वो अपसेट होती है। तो मैं उनको वही बोलती हूँ कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा और तुम्हारे लिए और अच्छा होगा, डोंट वरी। तो ये जो एक मेंटल जो लेवल है पॉजिटिविटी का एंड काम वाला जो चीज है, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। और आपका मेडिटेशन तो बहुत ही सुपर्ब है। मैं उससे भी मतलब आप ज्वाइन करना चाहती हूँ, बट अभी कुछ सिचुएशन परमिट नहीं कर रही है। बट यस, आफ्टर सम टाइम डेफिनेटली आई विल बैक टू यू।
Thank you.
और बहुत सारे रिजल्ट है। आपकी सारी टेक्निक्स जो आपने बताई है पूरा 21 डे में, द वे यू हैव प्रोग्राम द आपका जो डिजाइन योर सेशन इज रियली वंडरफुल। एवरीथिंग, सभी कुछ उसमें आ जाता है।
Thank you.
So it's really wonderful and your support always one to one support। आप कुछ भी कोई भी चार्ज नहीं करते, जब भी जरूरत होती है आप अवेलेबल रहते हो, बात करते हो, सामने से भी बात करते हो। वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है, वो सारे मेंटोर नहीं करते। So thank you so much। Thank you so much।
Always welcome, always welcome. Anybody here, anytime you need any help, please reach out to me. You're all always welcome. Thank you so much, Darshana, for your time. And congratulations for creating magic in your life. Everybody, please unmute and congratulate Darshana.
Thank you।
Thank you, everybody, please.
Congratulations,
You're a
Darshana.
magical healer.
Congratulations,
You're
Darshana.
a magical healer.
Thank you।
Yes, Monica, can we have you?
Hello.
Hi, good evening. Can you just
Good
turn on your
evening.
video?
Okay.
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
एक्चुअली उन्होंने दर्शना जी ने बहुत सही बोला कि आप बहुत अच्छे मेंटोर हैं। एक्चुअली है, आप बहुत अच्छे।
Thank you.
और एक्चुअली छोटे छोटे मैजिक तो मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकती, पर बहुत अनगिनत हुए हैं। पहले तो मैं जब ज्वाइन की थी, तब तो मेरे को तो इतने सारे हेल्थ इश्यूज थे। तो आज के टाइम में सिर्फ हाफ टैबलेट्स ले रही हूँ, वो भी बीपी की, बस 5-6 टैबलेट्स सब
सब
बंद।
बंद हो गए।
और
अरे वाह,
सब बंद।
अमेजिंग,
एक तो ये ग्रेटिट्यूड जो आपने बताया, राइटिंग सुपर, वो करनी चाहिए हर किसी को विदाउट स्किप। आप मॉर्निंग इवनिंग जब भी करो, मैं 2 टाइम करती हूँ, मॉर्निंग भी करती हूँ और सोने से पहले भी करती हूँ। तो वो तो करना ही चाहिए। और मेडिटेशन, आपकी जो गाइडेड मेडिटेशन है वो तो सुपर्ब है, सुपर्ब मतलब सुपर्ब है। उस टाइम में आप मतलब बहुत सारे हैं, मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया कि मैंने यूट्यूब चैनल में भी, अब नाम नहीं लेना चाहूंगी, मगर बहुत लोगों, मैं एनएलपी की कोर्स भी दूसरे से की हुई हूँ। तो मुझे इतना मतलब सभी अपने तरीके से सब सही बताते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, मगर
Exactly.
किसी किसी से ही कनेक्ट हो पाते हैं हम बस, और यही बात है। मगर आपका रियली में आप जो कर रहे हो बहुत सुपर्ब कर रहे हो।
Thank you so much,
थैंक
and
यू।
I mean, like, you are bringing people, and your friend has also joined me. The only thing is, see, our motive is see, my frequency was very low. I was vibrating on low frequencies or low energy. That was the time that I also got connected to my mentor, my coach, and I was going on telling to myself, and I was going on vibrating that I need somebody who is really renowned. And eventually, you will not believe, during those time, while surfing on my YouTube channel, I got connected with Mitesh sir. And that was the time then I started listening to him. And then there were some free webinars of sir, that ALOI webinar, and then NLP webinar. That's then I started joining and listening to him. सर का बहुत आसान तरीका होता है, बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट करते हैं, और उनको अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी होता है। तो जब उनसे हमने सीखा समझा, तो आज मैं ये कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं कितने सारे लोगों को, अगर जो मेरे आसपास में है, देखो हमारा बजट भी नहीं होता कि हम 30,000 या 15,000 खर्च करके इतना सब कुछ सीख पाए। हर किसी की पॉकेट अलाउड नहीं करती है, लेकिन क्या करें, लोग परेशान हैं, उनको कैसे भी करके जाना पड़ जाता है, उनकी मजबूरियां होती हैं, राइट? So I have spent that amount not because I was struggling, because I wanted to heal people. And when I did my course of NLP, I literally felt ki yes, now I really need to learn the healing procedures also, the processes, the techniques. So after that, now I'm able to counsel people. I know where people are struggling, which emotion they are struggling at. I am able to give them, curate the plan according to them. My VIP healing sessions, I know whosoever has attended me, they are not leaving me understand. It's not like that they are not leaving me just because they have got attached to me. The results they are creating, the magic they are creating in their life. No, ma'am, we don't want to leave you now. We want to create more magic. To that extent, now this is happening. And I'm really willing, if anyone you feel like the person cannot reach out to me because the fees is really high, bring to my 21 days challenge. It is not that high. Even if the person is not able to give that much amount also, please bring here, share the link, let them come, let them have the taste of what's happening here. ओके जब वो आते हैं तो उनको समझ में आता है कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं एक्चुअली में, क्योंकि उनका जो पर्सपेक्टिव है, मैंने खुद से अपनी लाइफ में 120 days 4 months consistently I wrote gratitude statements because my coach was just behind me. Every day एक टप्पू बढ़ता था, जहां मेरा मैसेज नहीं गया वो मुझे एक वहां से आता था, रूबी आज का मैसेज कहाँ है, तो ऊपर से लिटरली मुझे डांट पड़ती थी, वॉइस कॉल आ जाता था मेरे पास या वीडियो कॉल आ जाता था, वेयर आर योर ग्रेटिट्यूड स्टेटमेंट्स फॉर द डे. That's how he made me tougher today, and that's how I am here with you, and I'm able to help you all. So really people keep stay consistent, because after consistent 4 months I could create this magic in my life. You can all do the same. You can create magic in your life wherever you are. Even if you are a professional official person, you can create magic there. All you need, what? Just a shift in your perspective. Okay, wherever you are vibrating now, we will all together bring each other higher. Okay, and we are all here to help each other, to support each other. Let's abide. We will not pull, we will not bully, we will instead एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के एक दूसरे को खींचेंगे. आपसे क्या होगा, आपने मेरा जो काम ग्रुप में मैंने एक मैसेज पूरा भेजा हुआ है, जहां पे क्वांटम फिजिक्स का बताया हुआ है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूनिवर्स एवरीथिंग हैज एनर्जी, एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी. आपके थॉट्स एनर्जी हैं, आपका सर्कल एनर्जी है. अगर आपके रिश्तेदार हैं, आपके दोस्त हैं, कोई भी नेगेटिव एनर्जी आपको दे रहा है, तो आप वही घर पे लेके आते हो, एंड यू स्टार्ट वाइब्रेटिंग ऑन द सेम लेवल दे आर वाइब्रेटिंग. So be mindful where you need to vibrate, where you need to create magic. Clear?
मैं अब सीधे सीधे कैंसिल
हर बार correct. This technique we all have learned. Every time there is a negative thought, cancel. Twice.
एक्चुअली मैं एक और चीज बताना चाहती हूँ. मैं बहुत दिनों से एक सम ऑफ अमाउंट मुझे चाहिए, हर लेडीज को चाहिए होगा, तो मुझे भी एक सम ऑफ अमाउंट मैंने काफी 2 months से लिखे थे. सडनली कल मुझे एक प्रोसेस उस जगह से मिला कि हाँ वो मतलब उतना नहीं तो थोड़ा सा, मगर मतलब क्विकली कहीं ना कहीं से वो आ रहा है। तो
Wow.
वो चीज मैं सोची थी बताऊंगी, जरूर बताऊंगी। ये चीज कल से मेरे साथ प्रोसेस हुआ। मतलब पता नहीं कहाँ से वो चीज हुई, मगर मेरे को एक चाहिए था, एक सम अमाउंट मेरे को चाहिए। तो
Wonderful.
वही मैं लिख रही थी, और पता नहीं कल मैं रात में मैंने को नोटिस किया कि हाँ मेरे को ये चीज मैं काफी टाइम से लिख रही थी कि हाँ मुझे चाहिए, तो वो आया।
आएगा, करेक्ट आता है।
हाँ।
ट्रस्ट मी, ट्रस्ट द प्रोसीजर। आप एफर्मेशंस
हम्म।
क्रिएट कर रहे हो, तो आपको एफर्मेशंस में करना क्या है, दैट यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर वॉट एवर यू हैव, एंड देन दैट इज योर ग्रेटिट्यूड। एंड एफर्मेशंस क्या है, दैट आफ्टर अ ईयर व्हाट यू आर वांटिंग, यू आर सेइंग फ्रॉम नाउ ओनली, थैंक यू यूनिवर्स, I already have my goal, I've already achieved, like in the area of your health, you say from now only, I have already achieved my ideal weight of 60 kgs or 50 kgs, whatever kgs. Now when you are sending a message, you start taking action, feeling, thoughts, beliefs and actions. You're feeling it, your thoughts are like that, and then what, you have that belief that you have started reducing your weight, and then accordingly you have started taking the action. Even if now your diet is controlled, you start doing a lot of exercises, and then you are taking over all of your health, isn't it? That has already started. So trust me, you have already taken a step. Magic has already started, arising in your life. Keep creating more magic. I'm so glad, very
थैंक यू,
happy
थैंक यू,
for all of these results. So now we have next, I think Surbi is there with us. Surbi has joined, few sessions, and I think she has also started creating magic.
Yes,
Yeah,
thank you so
sorry,
much.
Ruby.
First,
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
sorry,
hi.
sorry. Yeah, Ruby, I need to go for another call. Huh?
No
Thank
problem.
you, Ruby.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. Thank you for
Yeah,
being here
thank
with
you.
us.
Thank
Yes.
you. Bye, all.
Yes. Have a great day. Yeah.
yeah, Ruby, first of all, thank you so much to you. I really want to show my gratitude to you because you are the source. You are the first source, basically. So, procrastinating is a word for me. Not now, but it was a word for me. So I was just, same like you said. I was looking at Mitesh sir videos and free webinars, but I was at no result. Nothing I was doing. I was just watching it coolly and I was not doing anything. But
Okay.
then suddenly I saw your message in the group and I thought, like, oh, somebody's there who is practicing, who is like, coaching on this. And then I started following more and started, I don't know how, but I just joined. I paid like 15,000. That was a huge amount for me right now also, but I don't know how it happened. And I just like, joined ALOA of Mitesh sir. And then I am a person like, I don't get convinced very quickly. So that's why when I came to you, I was just like, attending the session. I was not talking about anything like whether I will be regular or not. Then like, I really liked your sessions. I seriously, I'm telling you. And then like, I decided like, I will go with you. I will just join this journey. And thankfully, like, I have joined both of your sessions.
Yeah. Thank you.
And that is, yeah, so that is something, I don't know what kind of energy I'm getting, and I'm getting very energetic since I joined your session. My energy levels are like, always high.
Wow.
Then when then it was before. And there
Wonderful.
was a very big switch in my perspective and energy. I said it already, but like, I was very negative person. And
Hmm.
I was always in the anger or victim blaming and everything. But now I'm seeing in myself like, it's a very big change, and it is
सुरभि,
happening with your sessions.
मैं भी बहुत नेगेटिव पर्सन थी। मतलब मैं ओवर थिंकिंग और नेगेटिव, यहाँ इतना सा कोई मुझे कह देना,
Same.
तो मैं वो उसके नेक्स्ट लेवल टू नेक्स्ट लेवल मेरी सोच चली जाती थी।
Right, right,
तो
right,
वो
that
मेरी भी
same.
थी, मगर अब बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, एकदम ना के बराबर है। तो वो 100% वो ठीक होना ही है।
Amazing. Amazing.
हाँ सो ये एक बहुत बड़ा मतलब ना स्विच है और चेंज है कि नाउ आई वांट टू लाफ, नाउ आई वांट टू स्माइल। एंड
That's
मतलब
so
एक वो जो
great.
एनर्जी चेंज होती है ना, तो पता चलता है बॉडी में, तो वो हो रहा है। तो मतलब वो रहना ही है अब।
Proud of you. Very proud of you.
So,
Even I'm
अच्छा है.
very happy and really glad that you people are creating magic in your life. And this is what, and this is why we have all got connected. And please stay and join the, anyways, also you are already there for 21 days, October month. So stay consistent. When the more you are consistent, the results that you start getting is the process becomes faster. Because I saw Sonika was really very consistent, Shreya was consistent, and Darshana had been consistent, and so people, those who who are getting results, for them consistency is very important. And whatever you are writing, make sure that it is not a task. Gratitude is something that you are feeling it. Don't make it a task. Oh, let me finish it just because we have to do it. Even if you are not there with me in the sessions like Saturdays, Sundays, if we are not practicing, make sure that you are writing it, you are finishing it on Saturday and Sundays. Then you see the results. Mark my words, after a month you will again, like, whatever results you have started, no, after a month you will be on a different pace, and then you will be here with a different story. Okay, I'm waiting for your story after you complete your 21 days. Thank you everybody for joining me.